Hello. Today I am diving into the most exciting updates from Canva in 2025. Because whenever you're a designer, marketer, business owner, or educator, Canva provides these great features. You can really revolutionize your creative workflow. So I want to show you the best and let's explore the top 5 game-changing addition to Canva because it really changed your whole workflow and your work. The first thing is Visual Suite 2.0, one designed to rule them all. Canva really introduced this feature. It's like a unified workspace. You can allowing to really combine documents, presentations, whiteboards, spreadsheets, and more into one single design. It's great because you don't have to juggle between multiple files and platforms, and everything you need is now in one place. You can really stream your collaboration. You can boost your productivity because when you, let's say, create presentation, you can add different designs. You don't have to always create new design or new templates because you can have everything in one, and it's so great to use it. It's like one design, and you can just keep uploading this and changing it, and you don't have to waste time for creating new designs. So if you know Canva, you already know that it looks pretty different right now. Here we have different versions. You could create your designs, your templates, or whatever. But right now you see this updated version of Canva in 2025. So you have these options: your designs, templates, Canva AI. Also in your designs, you can search designs, folders, or different uploads based on your type. For example, brand templates, images, folders, videos, based on category. So what is it? Like maybe you are searching for Pinterest pin. So I'm going to search Pinterest and see what it's going to show me. Maybe you have theme, so you can easily create and search for different designs and folders based on who created this, maybe this design or this folder. For example, date modified, yeah, you can also search by time. So this is something easy for you to search. You don't have to go each folder. It's like, oh, there was this design I created before, and you can do it like this. The templates here are also pretty straightforward. It's great because you can create and search millions of templates, express your creativity, print products, Instagram posts based on travel, business, design type. So for example, you can click on design type and choose sheet, social media, doc, whiteboard, presentation, video. You have all these options. So if I go and choose social media, it will already give me the options, like for example, Instagram post. If I want a different category, I can choose Instagram post, story, Facebook post, Pinterest pin, TikTok video, and more. So you see here, if I click on Pinterest pin, it gives me these options. And I also want a different style. Maybe I want minimalistic style. So now I see all the templates for Pinterest in minimalistic style. So here you can also easily choose the template, edit it, make it your own for Pinterest, and then publish it directly. So that's great. Like you can have all create these designs. It's really easy to use. You have your designs and templates. So you can also search based on a name. So for example, you want to create, for example, presentation. You can go like this. It will give you these options, presentations. If I just untick this, you see again category, presentation, and style. For example, modern. So you see all these templates you have below, and you can choose them. So there's one update. You see different how it looks like if you come to Canva. There's all these options, and you can see it's different from the last time. Maybe you have been in Canva. The second update is Canva Sheets. It's great because if you maybe you work with Google Sheets or you use Excel, Canva created this visually focused like spreadsheets, which can really transfer your data into like a great presentations. It's really powered with AI functions like magic charts, magic formulas, and magic insights. So you don't even have to know formulas to create a great maybe engaging visuals for your presentations or any kind of reports or analysis. So let's have a look like how Canva Sheet works. Here you can see Canva Sheets. It's easy to find. You can find it in the menu. You can just write sheets, or it's already in the menu below Canva Sheets. So here you can see already, for example, templates. I was looking at a budget tracker or social media calendar, and you can also see different templates for you. For example, if I want to see any kind of social media calendar, I can create it pretty easily here. You can see it's like a template. I actually didn't create. It's already pre-made. It's already default in Canva for social media calendar. What's really possible, it's like you can, of course, change it. If I click on here, for example, static post, you can choose photo. It will, on the top here, have actions. You have quick actions. You can generate tables. You can fill empty cells, magic chart, magic insight, magic write, and more. You can even resize the design, translate, import data, and you have all these formulas, as you see, magic formulas, which means it's like a Excel in a visually appealing format. So you can create so many different things. If I want to, for example, add one option here, like Pinterest, uh, it will update all the all the drop down, so I can choose Pinterest here, and for example, like this, you can choose the colors, you can choose different things, visuals, links, publish. This is just an example how it can look, and you can always change it based on different things, like I said, magic charts, magic insights. For example, you can use some AI to create different tables for your presentations, for your reports, and more. So it's really a great tool, a great feature to use, because you can create right now anything. And trust me, I'm not a super fan of Google Sheets or Excel, because I don't know all the formulas, and it's not for me. I'm not a very analytical person. So for me, this is something which really helps me to create something visual and using data for it. So that's great. Of course, the next update was Canva AI. Canva is already using AI for some time, I would say years, but this is something else. This is like it creates new layouts, new designs, new content ideas. It's really you can connect it even to other AI tools. But for example, you can input your, like, you can create prompts based on your voice, media, text, and Canva AI will basically craft the perfect design elements for your project or for any design. So let's have a look on Canva AI. So Canva AI is very easy to find. On the top, you see Canva AI, and you can already create your ideas, your prompt, design for me, create image or document or code for me. So for example, create one post for Instagram and about life in Sardinia, because I am right now in Sardinia, Italy. I mean, it's not perfect, of course. You're going to make more, you're going to create great prompt, but it's just for demonstration for you to, so you can see how it actually Canva AI implemented this new version. It's much better than it used to be. So you can also create images, and of course, it's not perfect prompt, so it will not be perfect, but just for you to see, okay, life is beautiful in Sardinia awaits you, life beautiful in Sardinia, for example, this one. And you can go more designs, more colors, pictures, of course, you can choose different things, but it's just an example how it works and how easily you can right now create images, designs, templates, layouts in Canva AI. I have to definitely mention Canva coding. That's like interactive design without coding. You don't have to know the codes to create Canva code because it will help you to maybe build calculators, forms, games, applications. There is no coding skills required, which is great for people like me. I don't know how to code. So this feature really empowers you to add dynamic elements, to your designs to create maybe some enhance the user experience and interactivity. So Canva Code, it's something really amazing, and I think you will love it when I show you. So when you click on the home page and Canva AI, you see the last one, it's code for me. If I click here, you can actually even create something very easy like grocery list builder, quiz, interactive certificate. Here, they are the most common how you can use AI codes and what can create for you. For example, calculator, or you want to create a simple countdown timer, a digital birthday card that will explode, right? So this is something great because you can create games, um, calculators, content planners, any kind of activities, timelines, countdown timer, and more. So you can try it out. It takes some time, so I'm not going to show you. But for example, if you want to create a countdown timer, it basically will, if you click on it, that's like the default, it will create this prompt you can use. And of course, you can edit this prompt and it then will code for you, which you can add to your website, to your social media, anywhere. It's really very easy to use, and it's something I could never imagine that I could even use like a coding, but Canva made it possible. And the last thing I want to mention, last edition was Magic Studio at scale. It's like it enables you to generate hundreds of personalized on-brand assets instantly. So it's great for campaigns or, for example, content, social media. You can really ensure like the consistency. You can create your brand efficiency across all of your design. So let's see at the Magic Studio how it works. So Canva Magic Studio, it's like the all tools Canva AI put in one place. It's even better than before. It really brings together all the powerful tools, and you can have it inside the Canva, which is great. Uh, Here is some demonstration. You can see like magic design. You can just create very easily onboarding presentation, for example, video. Um, like you can use Dreamlab, which is create stunning production quality visuals, like creating images. You can like AI images with different like real realistic images. It's pretty good. So you can have a look. And Dreamlab, it's a part of the Magic Studio. So create really realistically looking AI images. You have photo mockup, different mockups. Of course, you have highlights, for example, from videos. If you add video nowadays, you can kind of create and generate clips from your long videos and footages, so you can use it and recycle it for example, social media. It will enhance your voice. For example, if you have background on the streets and you are creating video or audio, and it will eliminate the background noise, for example. So it's much better and compelling videos for your audience. You can transform your content, resize. Even you can resize, let's say, presentation when you create. You can resize it to social media, and it will make the highlights from it. So from presentation, it will make it, for example, Facebook post. So there are so many options you can use this. You have, for example, text to video. You will write some prompt or some text. It will create a video for you. For example, typing on computer, you don't have to make the video. You can just use AI. Text to image, text to graphic, and other and more things like Magic Expand and things like that. So there are so many things in the Magic Studio, and they made a lot of updates right now, as I was mentioning. So try it out, see all the functions you have, because it's perfect. I, for example, love background remover or animate options, magic morph, and more. So really try it out and see what you like most. So all these innovations are really set to redefine like the way we create and collaborate. So let me know which features you really are most excited about. Try them out, and because I already had some time to use them, and I really love the Canva code. I was trying to create some tracker or planner, and I love it. So let me know which feature you like the most. And if you like my videos, sign up here, because every Friday we have new videos about business, about Pinterest, and about more other tools and platforms. So I will see you next time.